Viewers of this channel may have seen a recent series of short videos I made on plans to make a space hospital and the amazing healing potential of microgravity. While most were curious, some thought the idea of a space hospital ridiculous. "Idiotic," one person wrote. Another commented, "If hospitals are expensive now, how much will this one cost?" Fair enough, I suppose. In order to benefit from this phenomenon, we have to be all the way up there. So I guess the healing potential of microgravity isn't really all that useful. Or is it? One thing that struck me throughout this research was the way scientists simulate the effects of microgravity right here on the Earth. They do this to human cells by exerting a 1G force that constantly changes direction in something called a random positioning machine. This sort of fools the cells into believing that they're in microgravity conditions, which changes their behaviour. For instance, stem cells seem to grow more numerous, whilst fibroblasts become highly active. There was something in the flow of the way random positioning machines move that got me thinking, is it possible for us to simulate effects similar to microgravity through motion? By gently moving our bodies in different ways, we change our centre of gravity, which in turn stimulates our cells. But what would the benefits be? The sorts of motions likely to stimulate our cells this way can be found in certain styles of Tai Chi and Qigong, where graceful slow motions have been found to improve brain function, boost heart function, and strengthen immune response. Precisely how it does this is not known. However, we must consider that if changing centre of gravity stimulates cell function, might this not be a factor in how things like Tai Chi and Qigong so profoundly benefit our health? Moving the force of gravity through our cells is like giving our cells a gravity massage, one that energizes and motivates them. Have you ever just been sitting there and noticed your body moving a certain way? What is the cause of such an impulse? I often find myself drawn to dancing round my house in silly ways. Could there be a deeper reason for this other than my hyperactive childish personality? Is some innate intelligence guiding the body to inspire health? It's food for thought. What's beyond doubt, though, are the numerous health benefits associated with slow, gentle motion. An issue facing humanity is that we've created a flat world to move around in, meaning our centre of gravity most of the time just sits there. Our early ancestors had to constantly shift gravity through their bodies to get from place to place, and that's how we evolved to move. So, whenever the chance arises, get away from flat roads and walk amongst nature. Here are 3 ways you can use gravity to assist your cellular health. 1. Rocking. Great for your back, and it shifts gravity back and forth. I recommend you do it every day. 2. Hip swiveling. First thing in the morning, pivot back and forth on your hips to benefit the whole upper body. 3. Lateral flexors. Shift sideways at the hips to move weight across the midline. Do this close to a wall to support your balance if required. These are just a small number of tried and tested methods that can benefit the joints whilst shifting gravity through the body. Can you think up any more?